In the circuit shown below, the op-amp are ideal. These two op-amps are ideal. They say that then V output in volts are. We have to find the V output voltage. We have the setup of these, and these two op-amps are ideal. So we have to find the V output value, that is V out. So what are the setup is we are having here? So we are having, first we have to find the first stage of, we can say that first stage and second stage. So in first stage we have that differential equation, because inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal both having the inputs, so it's a differential amplifier. And second one is, it's like a non-inverting amplifier, there is no need to worry about that. So we have to find the V out using these two combinations. So we have the differential and non-inverting. So we have, let's we go by that. So let me go by that. First stage gain multiple of second stage gain give us the V output. First stage gain is according to the non-inverting terminal, we have that RF plus, that is Rin plus RF by Rin, that is we have in the derivation of the differential equation, differential amplifier. So 1 multiple of 1 into 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 2V, that is 2 voltage. In inverting we found that minus RF by Rin, that is the feedback, that is gain. So we'll get the 1 into 2, 1 volt into 2 minus 2 volt into minus 1, and we'll get 4 volt as the first side. And this is, here we are getting 4 volt after the first stage of the amplifier setup, and we have the 4 volt to the non-inverting terminal. How much we will get in the V out? Let's see. In second stage we have the same amount, that is RF is 1 kilowatt and Rin is 1 kilowatt. We have the same thing, and we put that 1 plus 1 by 1, that is 2, that is we found only gain. What is the voltage? That is input voltage is 4 and we have the gain 2, so we'll get overall output, that is V out is 8 volt. What we done in this problem is we splitted this setup into two parts. What are the parts we have? If we have the longest stage, like four stage amplifier setup, we have to split it into 4 steps. Like we have to simplify the values in the first step and applying the simplified value to the second step and getting the values corresponding that. So it's really minimizing the effects in the beginning itself. That is how we have to approach the amplifier, that is bulk amplifier setup. Thank you. Your comments are welcomed.